Can you please stop making those noises? Okay, no one will do. No one will do. Hey guys, I am back with another super awesome Minecraft episode, and today I'm doing Snapshot 13W22A, and in this snapshot they added some new sounds to the horses, lag, and then they also added sounds to the villagers, which is pretty darn cool. Yeah, you talk. I killed it. Alright, so yeah. In the last update, or last snapshot, like, apparently they added enchantable horse armor, which I didn't find out. But what's stupid is, you can't actually enchant it in the, enchanting table. You gotta use an anvil to enchant it. So, like, yeah, got diamond horse armor. And we got, yeah, and we got blast Okay, I'll never kill a horse again after that moment. Alright, yeah, we're gonna spawn in a horse. Ooh, that's a nice horse. We're gonna tame it. Tame. I shall tame you. I shall tame you. I shall tame you. Did I tame you? No, I did not. Finally kicks me off. For some reason it does. Oh, okay. Did I tame it? Yeah, I did. That's the first time it actually showed the hearts for me. I don't know why. And then you got your, like, the only bad thing is right now is you can't actually see the enchantment on the horse, but that would be pretty cool. They're obviously going to add that. And there's some little bit of lag. Alright, so also came with some bug fixes, and they fixed, these are all bugs, just to let you know. Sleeping well in a minecart produces a graphical glitch. Argument team do not work with exclamation mark for other players, whatever that means. Scoreboard problem with C-friendly invisibles, whatever that means. Horse can climb ladders and vines, so that can't happen anymore. Alright? That can't happen. That can't happen. Okay, yeah. And they also added horses graze on non-block. No, they got rid of horses graze on non-grass blocks, also underwater. Leashes break when riding a horse. So yeah, just remember, this is what they got rid of. Alright? This was a bug. Cannot tie wild horses in foals, whatever that means. Stacked entity spawner creating a mass duplicate ghost entities. Horse armor not keeping enchantments when dropping from a horse. Crash due to a corrupt pack. And PNG texture pack. Horses break lead when being led when they stop to eat grass. Unable to move previously ridden horses after reloading the world. Problem with horse movement. Horses not running fast and creative. Horse shift key locking, whatever that means. Legal state exception. Server tried to update attributes of a non-living entity, whatever that means. I have no clue what the heck that means. So horse speed does not remain constant. So yeah. Those were all bug fixes, apparently. They were in the last update. I will save you, horsey! I feel bad now. I feel bad. There we go. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, the villagers and stuff. They got, like, new sounds. I wonder what happens if you trade... No, that's not a villager. Villager. Spawn the... Alright, I'm gonna get some emeralds. Emerald. Where is the emerald? Emerald. That's funny. No, my emeralds! Oh, sweet. Potion effects. I know that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm the KMD Gaming channel. If you haven't heard of me before, I have another channel, but like, yeah, I just made a new channel. It's KMD Writes Minecraft. If you're watching this on this that channel, subscribe if you want to, and yeah, villager. 4 diamonds for a freaking emerald. You suck. Go to the nether. Okay. Alright, yeah. So yeah, I got a new channel, blah blah blah. Alright. I'm the KMD Gaming channel. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And if you're watching this on KMD Writes Minecraft, yeah. Okay. See you guys later.